Welcome to the Postgraduate Research Training Resources, published by AGILE Research Limited. My name is Sandra Mandic, and I'm the author of these videos and the Postgraduate books for beginners and postgraduate students. These materials have been designed to help you navigate the research process smoothly and successfully complete your research project. Buckle up and enjoy the learning journey. This short video is about how to search literature or gather evidence for your research project. A research journey usually starts with searching the existing evidence to find out what is already known about a particular topic. Reviewing the literature helps you to identify knowledge gaps and develop your research question. Searching scientific literature can be, and often is, a daunting task. You will likely come up with more articles than you can ever read, and many of them may have only remote or no relevance to your research topic. Use tools to help you focus your literature search, organize the evidence that you find, and manage your references. Some of the available tools include preparing a literature review outline, using a literature summary table for organizing articles, and using a software to manage references. Here are some tips for searching scientific literature using article databases. Most scientific disciplines have their own discipline-specific databases. Such databases are linked to search engines, which access references, abstracts, and full text of published scientific articles. Experienced researchers use scientific article databases that are specific to their discipline. Google Scholar is a freely accessible web search engine which can be used to identify scholarly scientific literature from a wide range of disciplines. If you're working outside of academia or you're new to research, consider searching the literature using the Google Scholar. Focus on searching and reading the literature relevant to your research topic. Consider searching one keyword at a time and save those searches. Later on, you can combine individual search results by using the AND command. You could also use the OR command to search for alternative keywords or synonyms. Refine your search if necessary to either narrow or broaden your results. You could narrow your search by applying limits, such as article type or publication date range. Check out the reference list of the articles relevant to your research topic. Finding a recently published literature reviews related to your topic may also be a good starting point to identify relevant references. Find and cite original studies. Always cite the resources used to avoid plagiarism. Having a clear research question and a good structure of the literature review are essential for guiding your literature search. Make sure you allow ample of time for finding the existing evidence related to your research topic. Searching for literature and reviewing it takes time, especially if you're new to the process. Reading and processing a number of scientific articles in the initial stages of your research journey can be an overwhelming task. This is especially true if you're reading those articles and/or doing your research degree in a foreign language as an international student. You will need to find your own system for organizing, reading, sorting, grouping, and analyzing the scientific articles. Consider creating a literature summary table to summarize the key aspects of research methods and findings from the articles on a particular topic. Have a look at a template provided on this slide. For example, your literature summary table could include the full citation, study purpose, and description of study participants. In addition, the table could include information about research methods, key findings, conclusions, and/or recommendations for future studies. Adjust the content of such tables to fit the needs of your literature review. If you're searching literature regularly as part of your work or planning to pursue a master's or doctoral degree, consider using software to manage your references. Such software will save you lots of time and headache associated with managing references in your reports. You may choose to purchase a reference manager software such as EndNote, or consider freely available software options such as Zotero and Mendeley. For more guidance, refer to the Compass Guide Research Training books for beginners and postgraduate students. Both books are available for purchase on AGILE Research website. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others. Check also my other videos on YouTube channel Compass Guide Research Training and sign up for AGILE Research newsletter to receive our updates. Happy learning!